Wait, ref, I need some help over here. Yeah, what's up? That guy over there's full auto on everyone. No, that guy's using somehow. What do you mean he's not? I have it on camera. We don't need to see your footage. We have cameras everywhere. Okay, well, why don't we check those? No. You can't be serious. Look, he just put that rental on the ground! Oh, he's just taking a nap. Taking a nap? Yeah, and while we were having this conversation, I actually came to the conclusion that you're the one who's in the wrong, so I'm going to be giving you a strike, and you're going to be sitting out the rest of this game. Please show me your wristband. Come on, I'm serious. You going to show me your wristband or not?